Hello friends and welcome to my video tutorial series Python for Science Student. So science student may ask the question why coding is important. The answer is very simple. First one is to handle the experimental data. If you want to manipulate your experimental data, then you can use any programming language. The second is to test the theoretical model of the system by simulation. For example, here I have simulated this tokamak system during my final year project. So this type of advanced research also you can do using using your coding skills. Now when it comes to coding, researchers' first choice is Python programming language. Why Python? For two reasons. First one is Python code is more readable, and second and most important is Python code is freely available. It is open source. Now if you want to install Python in your machine, then just go to this Anaconda website www.anaconda.com/distribution. Here you can select your OS, your operating system, for example for Windows, MacBook, Mac OS, Linux, and you can install this Python 3.7 version, which is latest, by hitting this download button. And once your installation is completed, you can open this Spyder IDE. So throughout this series I'm going to code in Spyder because Spyder is personally my favorite. So let me give you some very basic introduction to Spyder IDE. So this window is called console, in which you can write your code. For example, simple code, let us say 1 plus 2. So here what is happening is this green line in will take input from the user, which is 1 plus 2, and this out 5 will return the output, which is 3. And this window is for scripts. Here you can write your Python script, and this is called variable explorer, in which you can find your variable and its value. So this was some basic introduction to Spyder. So guys, throughout the series, if you have any questions or query, feel free to ask in comment section. I shall try to give you a satisfactory answer. In some videos I may have made some bloopers, so please pardon me for that. So that's all guys. See you in next video tutorial. Bye.